In this lesson, let's go ahead and learn about the various benefits, features, and advantages of Azure Active Directory. Okay, so by now we know that Azure Active Directory is fundamentally a cloud-based directory services, right? That means that you provision all your identities in cloud, in Azure in this case. In the previous lesson, we did understand that in today's world we got cloud-based applications. You think about Salesforce and even Office 365 and several other list of applications that we can have in this list here. So it means that Azure Active Directory is great for organizations that would like to onboard cloud-based applications. Well, that does not mean that it is not good for on-premise applications. So if you have on-premise applications on your data center, you can use something like an application proxy to connect your on-premise applications to Azure identities. So that ways your on-premise applications can also get the benefit of the SAML, single sign-on authentication, and all the security features that Azure Active Directory provides. You can use Azure Active Directory with a multitude of devices. It could be your iPad, it could be your PDA devices, Mac OS, and of course Windows operating systems. With the unique identity protection benefits that Azure Active Directory offers, you will be able to know any suspicious sign-ins, any vulnerabilities in the authentication flow. You can get advanced security reports, remediate if there are any issues found in the identification flow, and thereby you will protect your business from any potential risks. Since there are several self-service capabilities in Azure Active Directory, you will be able to reduce the costs of securing the identities and securing the authentication flow. So if you're using Office 365, Salesforce, Dynamic CRM for that matter, it means that you're already using and taking the advantages, the benefits that Azure Active Directory offers.